Welcome to Section 3 of our Viral Marketing video training. In this section, we will talk about getting viral ideas before creating your first post, the anatomy of a viral post, and posting your viral content like a pro. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Getting viral ideas before creating your first post. Although we told you that viral content needs to be emotional to become viral, there is not too much that can be said about what is bound to become viral. There is not a surefire way to know if something will become wildly popular just by looking at it. Things that seem insignificant can become huge overnight hits without anybody seeing it coming. The same happens with stuff that looks like the kind of thing that is supposed to make a lot of noise online, but never quite manages to do so. The good news is that there is so much content online that you can just go and take a peek at what can become viral to get ideas before creating a would-be viral post. This video mainly deals with ways in which you can spy on trending topics to get a fresh idea about the things that you can capitalize upon at any given moment in time, because something that is in everybody's mouth today won't be there tomorrow, so you better get prepared for it. Let's get started with some truly useful tips. You know what's sad? Arriving late to any party. It's worse to get there when everyone has already left. To leverage the power of a piece of potentially viral content, you need to put a foot forward and get in the know. There are plenty of online sources that will allow you to browse trending topics. We recommend you use one called buzzsumo.com. This website allows its visitors to use any type of keyword to see how it relates to trending topics. You'll enter a keyword in the search bar, and buzzsumo.com will show you the results related to that keyword. The first results that you'll see are the posts that have become viral on social media. You'll be able to filter your results by date, language, country, and content type. Another great place to look at what is trending now is Google Trends. You can access the service by going to google.com/trends. On the front page, you'll see data gathered from the most popular topics for the present date, and you can scroll down to see what stories are trending now around the web. You can select a category and a country to filter trending stories. And you can use the search bar on top to look up trending stories related to a given keyword. You'll get statistical data and the countries where that keyword is more popular, as well as topics related to that keyword. Our final recommended source is reddit.com. Reddit's own headline is the front page of the internet, and with reason. On Reddit, you'll find basically anything you might be after. With every occurrence sprouting first in the most popular message board on the planet, it is easy to gauge if something is about to go viral by just taking a look at people's reaction to it. It is also a great gateway to share your viral stories. Enabling viral power tools in your website. Congratulations on your newly created viral website. You got through all the initial steps: installing and setting up your website with WordPress, installing a cool, fully functional viral theme, learned about plugins, and which are the best ones available to be used on a viral website created with WordPress. In this video, we have decided to give you a helping hand and guide you through the process of setting up viral power tools that your website needs to keep the eyeballs of visitors engaged and the quality traffic coming. We're going to use tools that focus on two key attributes of a viral website: website optimization for search engines and social engagement. These tools are easy to implement and use, and you won't need to write code or do complex technical stuff. Just use the following steps to enable these viral power tools in your website. Website optimization for search engines. You'll need to optimize both your website and your content to rank appropriately in search engine results. We're going to show you a tool that you can use on your WordPress website to rank higher and get indexed by search engines such as Google and Bing. Yoast SEO. The first tool in our arsenal is the Yoast SEO plugin. It's a fully fledged search engine optimization tool for your viral website. This plugin will allow you to optimize your content on the go, giving you insights on how to write the best titles, meta descriptions, and content to be properly ranked on search engine results. Just head to the Plugins tab in your dashboard, click on Add New, Search for the plugin using the Yoast SEO keyword. Click on Install Now and then on Activate. Once you install this plugin, you can go to the SEO tab on your left to leverage its power. Click on Dashboard to enter the plugin's configuration panel. There are two important tabs to check the first time you use it. First, go to Your Info. There you'll have to enter a website name that will appear when your content is shown in search engine results pages. We recommend you enter the name of your website, plus a brief description separated by a hyphen. Below you can specify if your site operates as a company or as a person. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. Now, go to the Webmaster Tools tab. There you'll be able to verify your site on the most popular search engines without much hassle. Just follow the link to each of your Webmaster Tools accounts, sign in, and follow the instructions. Finally, don't forget to familiarize yourself with the rest of the optimization options available from this tool, such as social media integration and XML sitemaps. Social engagement. You need to make engagement and sharing an easy task for your viral website visitors, and these might just be the right power tools for you. Shareaholic. The Shareaholic plugin is a tool that will optimize your viral website to get tons of social media shares. Just look it up using the Add New feature in the Plugins tab. Use the Shareaholic keyword to find it. Click on Install and then Activate. To start getting all those shares and comments, simply go to the Shareaholic tab in your dashboard. There you'll be able to configure related and promoted content, share buttons, and monetization. For the purposes of this training, we will only configure share buttons and will leave the other options as they came. You want people to share your viral content, so you'll have to check the Above Content and the Below Content boxes in the Post sections. Uncheck all the other ones and click on Save Changes. Facebook comments. Most people will likely see your viral content when connected to Facebook, so having a Facebook comments box in your site is as resourceful as having all those social sharing buttons, which brings us to our last tool. Look up, install, and activate the Facebook Comments plugin from your dashboard. That's it. You now have a Facebook comments box for each viral post in your viral site. You can configure your Facebook comments box by going to Plugins, clicking on Installed Plugins, and then on the Settings button located under the plugin name. That's all for now, but stay with us and see how you can find viral content to get inspired before you create your first viral posts. Adding must-have plugins for viral power. In our previous video, we guided you through the process of creating a cool viral website from scratch using the WordPress platform, which, as you could see, allows you to create fully functional and responsive websites with a few clicks on your mouse. The very best thing about WordPress is how easy it makes it for people from all walks of life to create a website in a matter of minutes. You also had a glimpse at some of the things that you can access through your WordPress dashboard, mainly the theme store. The Appearance tab will enable you to get your hands on a lot of other features that will give you greater power over your viral website without having to know any programming tricks or other complex tasks. One such feature is the use of plugins that will allow your website to perform beyond what you actually thought was possible. In this video, we'll teach you which plugins will give you a real advantage in this viral marketing race. First off, what is a plugin? A plugin is, in simple terms, a piece of software containing a set of functions that can be added to a given program or platform. In the case of WordPress, plugins can expand functionalities or add new features to your website. In fact, the WordPress community tends to brag about how the platform has a plugin for making basically anything work on a WordPress website. How do you install plugins on a WordPress website? Installing a plugin on a WordPress site is very easy. Just go to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Plugins tab. Then click on Add New. You can search a plugin with keywords using the search box. Choose the one that best fits your needs and click on Install Now. Additional configurations will depend on the plugin installed. Must-have plugins to add viral power to your website. Shareaholic. Shareaholic is a plugin that will help you amplify the outreach of your viral website by increasing site traffic, user engagement, conversions, and possibilities of monetization. Best of all, it is free. Shareaholic is described as an all-in-one content amplification platform. It adds certain elements to your website that will help you amplify your content. Social sharing buttons, related content recommendations, social analytics, site monetization apps, optimized promoted content, native ads, and affiliate links. Social Locker. Social Locker is the most popular content blocking plugin. It will improve the quality of traffic to your website as well as your website ranking. What it does is that it hides the most valuable content in your site behind social buttons, leaving no choice for your highest quality visitors but to share or like your pages to unlock it. Social Locker will attach a call to action to your social sharing buttons, making them much more attractive, which will increase social engagement on your site.